Is our mechatronics project, an automatic hand sanitizer pump. Unfortunately, it does not work like we wanted it to. This motor here, I'm not gonna put my hand there yet. This motor right here that we mounted is not strong enough to pull this string down and pump this hand sanitizer. It's physically not strong enough. It's too weak of a motor. Now, we also were going to use two motors, one on each side. However, my kit, I seem to have lost them. I don't have them in my kit. This is all I had, so this is kind of what we went with. We actually zoomed during this entire session, and we're just talking about all the code and everything, making sure we were on par with everything. But anyway, we built this base for this, and it's an automatic hand sanitizer pump. So basically, what you can do with this right here is when you put your hand here, and it covers the ultrasonic sensor, the motor tries its very best to pull this and pump this down while your hand is there. So you can see it working there. That's what it's supposed to do, but we wanted it obviously to pull this pump down and pump hand sanitizer into your hand, but we will need a stronger motor to be able to do that. The setup is the same, however, so now you can see here on this LCD we have a double pump setting, triple pump setting, and then basically a cancel those. So this gets you back to normal, and those correspond with these three buttons here. So you press this right triple pump is selected. Okay, it'll go back, and next time that you put your hand underneath, guess what'll happen? You'll get three pumps instead of just one pump. So it'll go 1, 2, 3, and back to normal. Okay, so I'm actually going to adjust this back for the rest of this video. So just to show you again, we go double pump. Actually, let's cancel first. So if you cancel, it goes back to single pump. Let's select double pump. Double pump is selected. So now when we put our hand underneath, it's going to go 1, back, 2, back. So this is basically the function of our project. We were planning on incorporating this sensor here, and this is a water level detection sensor. Unfortunately, these are the only wires I had left after doing this project, these 4, and none are even remotely long enough to get this into here. So that actually did not end up happening. Again, also with these LEDs, we wanted to use these as well in lieu of this, to show the level, high, medium, low, and red, yellow, or green, yellow, red. Again, we didn't have the wires. I had to solder on the wires to this driver. Nope, I accidentally hit a double pump, but we had to solder these wires onto that driver as it was, or I guess I did, because I physically did not have the wires to finish the project. But anyway, this is the project. Of course, we wanted it to actually work. Unfortunately, that's not always how projects go, and you have to make the best with what you have. And yeah, there it is.